Why? Working on BMWs is a mechanic's worst nightmare. The real reasons. Welcome back to Make Car Go. Today, we're diving into a topic that stirs a lot of debate among car enthusiasts and drivers alike, BMWs. You might have heard the cautionary tales. Never buy a BMW after the warranty. They're unreliable money pits. But what if I told you that the reason mechanics typically dislike these cars isn't about the cars themselves? In this video, we'll reveal the real reasons behind the costly misdiagnoses that BMW owners often face. We'll break down the specific design choices and specialized knowledge gaps that turn a routine job into a disaster. So, stick around. If you own a BMW or are considering one, you definitely want to hear this. Let's dive in. Number 6. The diagnostic trap. Knowing the next step. Let's kick things off with the diagnosis. A general mechanic plugs in their scanner and a typical code pops up, P0306. Cylinder number 6 misfire detected. Now, this code is specific, but the cause isn't. It could be the spark plug, the fuel injector, a valve, or an ignition coil. The trap here isn't the code being vague, it's the general mechanic skipping the crucial BMW diagnostic step. The specialist knows to move the parts. They take the coil from cylinder number 6 and swap it with the coil from cylinder number 2. If the problem moves, if the code changes to P0302, you've definitively proven it's the coil. A general mechanic, lacking this specific troubleshooting routine, often jumps straight to swapping spark plugs, injectors, or worse, guessing it's a deep engine issue. They charge you for parts they didn't need to install, all because they didn't know the simple, logical test. Number 5. The hidden bolt nightmare and access agony. Imagine this scenario: you take your BMW in for what you think will be a routine service, like replacing a spark plug. The mechanic first needs to access the parts, which means pulling the cowl, the protective plastic cover at the back of the engine bay. This is where the nightmare begins. As a mechanic working on a 12-year-old BMW notes, you need to first remove the 5mm hex head bolts and various clips just to slide the plastic cover out of the way. You gotta take half of this stuff apart to access it, he says, calling it plain stupidity and plastic crap. When a mechanic is unaware of this specialized removal procedure, ignorance meets stubbornness. They might yank on that cover, snapping brittle plastic clips and bolts in the process. The mechanic grumbles about the stupid German design while you're left staring at a mess of broken parts and additional labor costs, all for a routine job. Number 4. Press-in coils, a sticky snapping mess. Next, let's discuss those ignition coils. A significant number of BMW engines come equipped with coils that are not held down by screws or bolts. They rely on being pressed into the spark plug tubes with a rubber boot. Over years of heat cycling, this rubber boot hardens and virtually glues the coil into the engine. The specialist explains they are often cows to get out, and he has to resort to using a big pry bar to pop them loose. This is a high-risk move because it is so easy to crack the plastic housing and damage the wiring. What should have been a routine check turns into an expensive coil replacement, all because the mechanic couldn't extract the part properly. Number 3. Specialized tools for basic maintenance. Even when the coils are successfully removed, the complexity continues to the spark plug. BMW engines use a non-standard plug with a thin wall design that won't fit a regular socket. To get the job done, the mechanic needs a 14mm thin wall deep socket, and even then, getting the plug out of the engine bay requires a careful dance of various wiggling extensions due to the lack of working room. The time and effort required for such a simple spark plug change underscores the main point. There are no routine maintenance jobs on a BMW, only procedures that require specialized tools and patience. Number 2. The head gasket scam. Next up, let's talk about a common trap that could leave you shelling out a staggering $2,000 for repairs you might not even need. The head gasket lie. You pull into a local garage and they spot oil leaking into your coolant reservoir. Immediately, the diagnosis rolls off their lips. It's your head gasket for sure. They charge you big bucks for a massive job, only for the oil leak to persist. Here's the kicker. On many BMWs, the real issue is often a seemingly innocuous oil filter housing gasket, OFHG, or the coolant oil heat exchanger gasket. These gaskets can fail and cause leaks, but they come at a fraction of the cost of replacing a head gasket. It's all about knowing the right patterns, but that knowledge seems to be lost on many general mechanics who leap to conclusions far too quickly. Number 1. High-tech overheating failures. Finally, let's address a situation that can escalate from expensive to catastrophic: recurrent overheating issues. In many cases, a persistent overheating problem may lead an independent shop to take drastic measures. Instead of a simple belt-driven pump, modern BMWs often rely on a a $600 plus electronic water pump that is run by the car's computer. When replacing this pump, the cooling system requires a specific automated electronic bleed procedure initiated by the diagnostic tool. Lacking this knowledge, a mechanic can leave air pockets in the system. They attempt to solve the symptom, overheating, with software tweaks or unnecessary parts, when the real fix is a simple, required electronic procedure. Failure to do this correctly can result in engine destruction. The takeaway: knowledge is power. In conclusion, while BMWs often get a reputation for being high maintenance or unreliable, much of that stems from the mechanic's misunderstanding rather than any inherent flaw with the vehicle itself. The car demands specific, specialized knowledge, from the proper way to remove a coil to the right sequence to diagnose a misfire. The culture of maintenance for BMWs requires a shift. If you're a BMW owner, or if you plan to be, it's crucial to seek out repair facilities that specialize in these vehicles. Doing so can save you countless dollars and prevent unnecessary heartbreak caused by a misdiagnosed repair. Understanding what makes these cars tick is key. From the diagnostic equipment they're using to their knowledge of BMW-specific issues, it's all about making informed choices. And remember, only a knowledgeable mechanic will give your BMW the attention it truly deserves. When done right, your BMW can provide an exhilarating driving experience and prove to be a reliable companion on the road. Thanks for tuning in to Make Car Go. If you found this information helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. We're here to help you with all of your automotive needs. Drive safe and take care of your cars.